Ever taken a photo and thought, why does my face look all stretched out? You're not imagining this. This is a common issue with smartphone cameras, and here's why. Most phone cameras use a wide-angle lens, which distorts anything near the edge of the frame. The further your face is from the center of the screen, the more likely it is to get stretched out. This is especially noticeable in vertical photos, where your face is oftentimes closer to the top or bottom of the frame. But if you take the same shot horizontally, it looks a lot more natural, even though it's the same phone taken in the same spot. Fortunately, you don't have to stop taking vertical photos. There's a couple of easy fixes. 1. Change your aspect ratio to 4:3, 3:4, or even 1:1. While this won't capture as much around you, it keeps your face in the center, reducing distortion. 2. Use grid lines on your camera and make sure your face stays in that center box. This isn't as foolproof as the other method, but it can help minimize stretching. And now your photo should look a lot more realistic, which may even raise your self-esteem.